This is Attorney Brian Pendergraft with Attorney.Black, and the topic for today's video is an intellectual property law lesson on why I can't trademark the term black-owned law firm, even though I own a black-owned law firm. Well, the reason why I can't trademark that term is because it is merely descriptive of my legal practice. Things that are merely descriptive are not allowed to be trademarked. So, before I even hop into the legal reasons, let's just look at it from a practical point of view. It would make the English language unusable if we could trademark terms that were merely descriptive. Some evil person would trademark the term oven cooked pizza, for example, and then no one else could advertise that they're selling oven cooked pizza. Now, let's actually go back to my example. So if I could trademark the term black-owned law firm, then no other black-owned law firm could call themselves a black-owned law firm. They have to call their business an African-American-owned law firm until someone trademarks that. And now African-American owned law firm is not usable. So then maybe people start using the term melinated law firm until someone trademarks that, and so on and so forth until everything is trademarked and the language becomes unusable. But now let's get into the legal reasons. So now I'm going to actually quote the law. According, I'm a lawyer after all, this is what I do. So according to the Trademark Manual of Examining Procedure, a mark is considered merely descriptive if it describes a function, feature, purpose, quality, characteristic, or ingredient of the goods or services identified in the trademark application. The manual goes on to say that the major reasons are for not protecting such marks are: 1, to prevent the owner of a mark from inhibiting competition in the sale of particular goods, and 2, to maintain freedom of the public to use the language involved, thus avoiding the possibility of harassing infringement suits by the registrants against others who use the mark when advertising or describing their own products. So the government doesn't want people stifling competition or harassing each other. So the legal reasons essentially mirror the practical reasons that I said first before describing legal reasons. And in fact, I feel like I just said the same thing twice. Well, now, it is actually possible to trademark something that is merely descriptive if it becomes so recognizable that people start beginning associating that term with that brand, or if it that merely descriptive saying ends up perhaps developing a secondary meaning. But if we go back to my example of black-owned law firm, that is something that is incredibly unlikely to happen. It's an practically impossible hurdle to overcome. So let's say I did actually want to trademark the term black-owned law firm. I would have to get everyone in the world, well, not the world, I'm just America, right? So whenever someone hears, black-owned law firm, they would have to think of my business. Just like whenever someone hears the term McDonald's, they think of the McDonald's franchise, or Google, they think of Google. If they think of black-owned law firm, they would have to think of Attorney.Black. Now that is very unlikely to happen. But let's just say I could overcome that hurdle. You know what I mean? I'm out here, making videos, people love it. And, the whole world knows my name. They're just like, yeah, that's Brian, you know what I mean? Black-owned law firm. When I hear it, I think of him. Even in that case, I still think that the trademark examiners would probably object my application for the term black-owned law firm, because it's something that the world should be able to use. It's too much power for one person, I guess. So, now, it may be possible for me to use the term black-owned law firm for something other than legal services. For example, like perhaps black-owned law firm magazine, where I'm talking about, it's a law firm, it's a magazine perhaps catered to black law firms, or maybe it just introduces the public to black law firms or something like that. An analogous example of that would be Black CEO magazine. They're magazine. So that would be an analogous example. Now, let's see. Well, that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. If you have any general trademark law questions that you would like to see answered by me and my black-owned law firm, Trademark, let me know in the comments. And if you have any legal questions that you would like to have answered and you would like to perhaps consult with me, then I should have a link in the description on how to, on how to reach out to me for to have legal questions answered. I can't just answer, legal questions in the comments, but I can answer general questions. If you don't know the difference between, I guess, general information and legal information, then I don't know, just reach out to me or drop a comment. I'll be happy to let you know. And thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, because that helps me out, helps me grow the channel. And if you have let's see, that's it. I'm just go ahead and sign out. All right, thanks for watching.